Hello, what's up guys, my name is Rahul and you're watching Beast Update. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the best launcher of 2020. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Guys, the name of the app is Niagara Launcher. You have to download it from the Play Store. It is just a 4 MB app, so you don't have to worry about the storage. Guys, after downloading it, you have to agree and continue. And you have to choose the apps, your favorite apps. Like I am choosing all those apps which I use a lot. You can follow me on different social media handles. The links are given below and you can also see the names on your screen. After setting all of the favorite apps, we have to tap on the click button and now you have to grant the permission for the notification access so that you will get all of the notification of your apps right on your home screen. Now set up Niagara Launcher as your home launcher like I am doing. Set it to always. Tap on the always button and now you can see it is your home launcher. And as you can see, this is so smooth and looks very interesting. But still it is not complete. We have to go in the look and then tap on the icon pack and then go to the Play Store. You will see a lot of new icon packs, but I like the Splendid icon a lot, so I am downloading that one. This is just a 7 MB and it's also free. So after installing this on my device, I have to set up it. Now go on the launcher settings and then to the look and then set the icon pack on Splendid. Now you can see it looks more beautiful than before. But there is something missing, that is wallpaper. Now I have changed the wallpaper and you can see it's look so amazing. I am listening the music and you can see the notification of music is above. You can also set a lot of launches like this. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel, and guys, soon we are going to complete 1000 subscribers, and thanks for all your support and love.